From either the home node or a parent node that includes children, you'll see the listing appear alongside it when selected. This displays all of the content within a particular section of your tree and summarises the status of any attached content. If you're using SiteView to display your content in a certain order, perhaps in a listing or in a sub-menu, you can manage this order from the listing screen. To do this, choose the action menu alongside your node, choose reorder, and you'll be able to drag and drop your nodes to a different order. By default, these are displayed as alphabetical, but as I start to rearrange my nodes, this changes to custom. When I'm finished, click apply, and my changes take effect straight away.